In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower rearward control arm on this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the front tires. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket. Take the lug bolts off. And before you take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling and grab the wheel and pull it off. I'm going to remove this nut. I'm just going to use a piece of plastic from a bottle just to prevent the CV boot from ripping when we're taking this off, using a 22mm socket. Loosen that up. Let me take that off. I'm going to separate the ball joint from the knuckle. If you have a front end tool that will work, that will grab around here and push that stud down, you can use that, or just take a hammer, just give it a tap. Just tap it down. Separate that. I'm going to use a 16mm wrench on the bolt. 18mm socket. We're going to take this nut off. Grab the bolt, slide the bolt out, and pull the arm down. Slide the new control arm in, put the bolt in. Put the nut on. Just get this close. You don't want to snug this up yet. We're going to torque this when the suspension is raised. Take the ball joint and slide that into the knuckle. Now I'm going to use a pull jack. Support the lower ball joint, put some pressure on it. We'll put the nut on. Protect the boot again, the plastic. Snug that down. I think it's spinning a little bit, so I'm just going to put a little more pressure on it. I think that looks good. Take that off. I'm going to torque this nut to 59 foot-pounds. That's good. You can take the pull jack, lower it down off the ball joint. Using the pull jack, I'm going to go under this lower control arm, the front. Just raise this up. You want to raise it up as close to ride height as possible, still being safe. It would be ideal if you could put the tire on and put the vehicle on the ground to torque these bolts, but it's not that easy. You're not going to be able to crawl under the vehicle. Just get it as close as possible. And we're going to torque this bolt to 74 foot-pounds. And lower the pull jack. Now put the wheel on. Get that lined up. The lug bolts in, get those started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque those lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.